When couples begin the marriage green card process, many assume it's simple. Get married, file some paperwork, and wait for the green card. After practicing immigration law for more than 30 years, I can tell you there are several things about the marriage green cards that most couples don't realize until they're already deep in the process. Today on Coffee with Richard, I'm going to share several marriage green card secrets that can make the difference between a smooth immigration case and a serious delay or problems. Okay, let's dive in. Secret number one. Immigration is investigating the relationship. The first thing couples should understand is this. When you apply for a marriage green card, immigration officers are not just reviewing paperwork. They are evaluating whether the marriage is real. Under U.S. immigration law, a green card can only be approved if the marriage is bona fide, meaning the couple genuinely intends to build a life together. Officers look closely at things like how the couple met, how long the relationship developed, where the couple lives, and where their finances are shared. So the application process is really an investigation into the relationship, not just a stack of forms. Secret number two, documentation matters more than people think. Another thing couples underestimate is the documentation piece. Immigration officers want to see evidence that the couple has built a shared life. Examples include joint bank accounts, leases or mortgages, insurance policies, photos together, travel records, and communication history. The strongest cases show that the couple's lives are intertwined financially and socially. Weak documentation often leads to additional scrutiny or requests for more evidence. Secret number three, timing can raise questions. Immigration officers also pay close attention to timing. They may examine when the couple met, how quickly they married after meeting, and when immigration petitions were filed. Quick marriages are not illegal, but officers often want to understand whether the relationship developed naturally or if the timeline raises questions about immigration intent. Secret number four, the interview is extremely important. Many couples assume the green card interview is just a formality. In reality, it can be the most important part of the process. During the interview, officers may ask detailed questions about how the couple met, daily routines, family relationships, and living arrangements. Sometimes couples are interviewed separately, and their answers are compared. Preparation can make a big difference. Secret number five. The first green card may be a conditional green card. It's a surprise to many people that the first green card may be conditional. If the marriage is less than 2 years old when the green card is approved, the immigrant spouse receives a 2-year conditional green card. Before that card expires, the couple must file another application to remove the conditions and prove that the marriage is still genuine. Secret number six, and this is becoming a bigger issue. Immigration may look at social media. Many couples don't realize that immigration officers sometimes review social media profiles. They may look for photos together, relationship history, whether the couple appears publicly as a real couple. If an application says a couple has been together for years, but there is no online trace of the relationship, officers may ask additional questions. Secret number seven. Living together is not always required. Some couples think they must live together to qualify for a marriage green card. While living together is common and helpful evidence, it is not always required. There are legitimate situations where couples live apart temporarily because of work, school, military service, or immigration restrictions. But if couples live separately, they should be prepared to clearly explain the reason and provide strong evidence of their ongoing relationship. Secret number eight. Immigration officers are trained to detect fraud. Another important point is most couples don't realize that immigration officers receive specialized training to detect fraud. They look for patterns in timelines, documentation, interview answers, and inconsistencies. Even small details can raise questions if something doesn't add up. This is why preparation and honest documentation are so important. Some of the key red flags might be a big age disparity between the couple, a language disparity between the couple, where the couple does not have a common language to easily communicate fluently, A situation where the American might have a substantial criminal background, maybe fitting a profile of someone who might marry for money, which is obviously illegal and a felony. The timing of the relationship. How long did they know somebody? If the couple met and then married quickly after that, that may be a red flag. Although in some cultures, an arranged marriage is very common and there is not a long courtship. So it's not a one-size-fits all. They look at the holistic pattern. But again, officers are trained to look for red flags. Final advice. The big takeaway is this. The marriage green card process is much more than simply filling out forms. Immigration officers evaluate the authenticity of the relationship, the documentation supporting the case, the timing of the relationship, and the interview answers. Understanding these factors can make the process smoother and help couples avoid unnecessary problems. If you and your spouse are beginning the marriage green card process, our team at Herman Legal Group has been helping families navigate immigration law for more than 30 years. You can reach us at 1-800-808-403 or visit our website at lawfirmforimmigrants.com. On that website, you can check out how to set up a consultation. We'll be happy to meet with you virtually or in our offices to talk about your specific case, your fact pattern, and strategies that will help make your process for the green card smooth and safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.